Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I was sitting here working with this pendant. I am so in love with this pendant. I want to make it, and I'm going to make it a 3-strand necklace. So what I was doing is I sat here and I was trying something different to do like, it would be a 3-strand, but not a complete 3-strand. So it would be like how you see the 2, and then it would be a third one just kind of starting at the bottom right here. But I could see right here with the wire is where I missed a beat. So when you go across, it's perfect like right here, but this side is not. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a practice run on this thinner wire that I have. That's that color wire. Just so I can get all the measurements right and I can get everything exactly like I want it to look and be. So when I use the 18 gauge wire, but I can see how pretty that's going to look. And I think what I might do, I do like the beads, the kind of shiny beads, the blingy beads, the just kind of flamboyant beads. I really like those, especially these two in the middle, those right there. I like those. And what I was looking for when I went to the store, well, I wasn't really going for that, but as I was looking through the beads, I was hoping for some big beads, which they didn't have at Hobby Lobby. So, and I wasn't going anywhere else because that wasn't my my goal today was to get beads or anything. But I do like the way that it's coming out. The strand part, I don't want to do that 3-strand because it would be too thick. So that was my thing. If I do just 1 strand thick, like what you see right here, and then try to get 3 strands at the bottom, like what I got right here, with the pendant. And I think that would look really nice. And let me know what you guys think. I told you I'm going to start showing you my bloopers so y'all will know I'm not perfect over here making jewelry. And I know you guys already know that anyway, but you know what? Hey, family. Okay, but this side just, yeah, I didn't measure that out right. That's okay. And I can take it apart. I can take the big beads off, like the big beads right here, and then loosen up the wire and then take that extra off. But I'm going to just try it on the thin wire and then see how it comes out looking. But I do like it. I think it is really, really pretty. I really dig the pendant. That's why I was saying the pendant is so pretty that, you know, the strung beads, this part has to be absolutely amazing too. So 3 strands would, you know, probably do really good. Even if I do 3 strands with smaller beads, but I don't want smaller beads. I like the bigger beads. And then maybe I'm going to just keep going along this way and then see how this turns out. But anyway, family, we'll talk soon.